Hello student, my name is Professor Supriya Kulkarni. Today we are going to study exception handling in C++. Firstly, we are going to study what is exception. An exception is a problem that arises during the execution of a program. A C++ exception is a response to an exceptional circumstances that arises while a program is running, such as an attempt to divide by a zero. Now we are going to study three keywords: try, catch and throw. To handle the exception, we are use three keywords, that was try, catch and throw. Exception provide a way to transfer a control from one part of program to another part. Exception handling is built upon a three keywords: try, catch and throw. Now we will see what is try, what is catch and what is throw. Firstly, we will see what is throw. A program throws an exception when a problem shows up. This is done using a throw keyword. Next is catch. A program catches an exception with an exception handler at the place in the program where you want to handle the problem. The catch keyword indicates the catching of an exception. Now we will see try. A try block identifies a block of code for which particular exception will be activated. It's followed by one or more catch blocks. Our program actually written in a try block, and try block throws exception in, and this exception catches in a catch block by using a catch keyword. Now we will study combination of try catch block. Assuming a block will raise an exception, a method catches an exception using a combination of the try and catch keyword. A try catch block is placed around the code that might generate an exception. Code within a try catch block is referred to as protected code, and the try block returns the protected code and catch block returns exceptional code. Now we will see the syntax of try catch block. Our syntax is started with try keyword. We need to write try keyword, then open try block and write our protected code. Then close try block. Using try block, we also need catch block using catch keyword. So syntax of catch is catch in bracket exception with their object, and open catch block and write our appropriate message. Then we write multiple catch blocks for one try block, because our protected code may be occur multiple exceptions. Now we will study throwing exception. Exception can be thrown anywhere within a code block. Using throw statement, the operand of the throw statement determines a type for the exception and can be any expression, and the type of the result of the expression determine the type of a exception thrown. Now we will study how to use throw keyword in our example. Following is an example of throwing an exception when dividing by zero condition is occur. Firstly, we will take the method division and we pass two parameters to division. First is integer a and second is integer b. In the block of division, we will take the condition if b is equal to 0, then throws exception division by 0 condition. Otherwise, return the division of a divided by b. Now we will study the example of try, catch and throw in the one program. First, we will include the file iostream, then using namespace std. Now we will execute our program from main function, because every program executes from main function. In the main function we can initialize three variables. First is x is equal to integer x is equal to 50, integer y is equal to 0, and double z is equal to 0. Now we can opening try block. In try block, our protected code is x is equal to division of x comma y. Then division method is called. Therefore we can jump to our division method. In division method there are two parameters passed to the division method. First is integer a and second is integer b. Then x is passed to integer a and y is passed to integer b. In the division method, the condition is checked. If b is equal to 0, then our throw exception division by 0 it is not possible. Otherwise return a divided by b. In our program the value of y is 0, then obviously value of b is 0. Therefore our condition is true. Then throw exception division by 0 is not possible. Then we can jump to catch block directly and print the message division by 0 is not possible. And this is our example of try, catch and throw, and our output of this program is division by 0 is not possible. Thank you students for watching my video.